The 2023 Kia Picanto stands out with its vibrant personality and agile handling, perfect for city streets. It features an engine immobilizer, providing enhanced security, and the emergency stop signaling system for added safety, ensuring peace of mind on every drive. Step inside to enjoy Apple CarPlay and Android Auto with voice control for seamless connectivity, plus a wireless smartphone charger for ultimate convenience. Call or visit Hendy Kia Portsmouth today to schedule your test drive of the 2023 Kia Picanto. Speak to our team about paint protection, tyre and wheel protection, and cosmetic repairs for complete peace of mind.